Acropolis has been organizing this kind of cleanup drives, mangrove restoration drives from 2017.
On the occasion of International Mother Earth Day, it's a great opportunity for us to take the time to really remind ourselves of the connection that we have with our mother.
Everything. Nature is bountiful, it will give you everything. All you have to do is learn to pause and see. So let's do that. Let's be a little more mindful of our choices.
It's very simple. It's like we keep on taking so much from nature. It's also our turn to sort of give it back and see how we can play like a small part within nature, being a part of nature.
I think that this is the magic of working with nature, that the more you give, in fact, you receive manyfold. I invite each and every one of you to come and be part of this initiative. On Mother Earth Day, we'll be back here at the Mangroves.